Today we're going to take a look at this Bonzy Home leather recliner. We just got it, just took it out of the box and laid the pieces here so we can show you how it comes in the box. So obviously it has the big main seat piece, and this is the back here, and then it has the two little side pieces which actually slide on here. So why don't we see how easy this is to put together. It seems like pretty simple assembly instructions to slide those on and slide this. So we give it a go. So this would be on this side. Don't know how hard it is to line those up. So there's just two metal pieces and the one has to slide over the other one. Okay. Okay, so that wasn't too hard. Now there's this back flap you kind of have to hold up here, and then it's the same thing where you just have to slide it on both sides. You just gotta line it up. Should slide right on. Push down and just make sure the flap has a little bit of weight to it, but it's really not too bad. Little flap adheres to the back there. So that was pretty simple to assemble. Like I said, it does have a little bit of weight to it, so I would have help when you get it out of the box just to carry it in, because the base has a little bit of weight. But overall, it's not a super heavy recliner. I've had some that are just massive and they're hard to maneuver. And if you want to look at the bottom here, I would recommend have it on the carpet now, but I might move it over on the wood. It does have the little plastic guards, but for some extra protection like on wood, I would probably put some felt pads or something to help with the scooting. So we're probably going to set it over there in the corner and we'll take a look and see how comfortable it is, see how far it reclines. So let's try it out. Well, I have it in place now in the corner where I was going to put it. The first thing is I notice it's actually not as massive as I thought it would be, because some recliners can be big and bulky. That's actually a good thing. It's a nice size. It's a really pretty kind of a dark coffee, mocha brown. A nice feel to it. It has some good padding, so let me see how comfy it is. Pretty nice squishy seats, nice padding in the back, it's comfortable, and just sitting without reclining, it's very nice. It's just a little bit of recline. So looks like this is right up. Let's see how far back it goes. Actually, this is really nice. I really like that, and it slides back and forward real easily. I've been in some recliners where when you have to pull really hard to get up. See, same thing with the base actually. It comes up pretty easy. Just a little bit of pressure. I had one where I had to sit there and push on it to get it back. So it actually is a pretty fluid motion to the up and down. This is a very nice recliner. I like this a lot. And I feel like this material would be really easy to clean if I spill something. You know, have a drink here, you can just wipe this right off, which I think is definitely a benefit to some of the cloth ones that can stain. You could just wipe this right up. This is a really nice looking recliner. Very soft, cushy, comfortable, not too heavy, not overly massive. I really like this. I would recommend this recliner. Just wanted to give you a closer up look of this nice material. And the cup holder, see I got my glass of water, just fits right in there conveniently. It's really easy to just wipe out if I spill some juice or something in there. But this is really nice, comfortable material with some nice padding here. The back also has very nice padding here for your head, very comfortable. And your back, very cushy. This is a very comfortable chair to sit in. Another thing I really like, as I had said, how far back this goes, but there's still, you know, some room back here. You could put it closer to the wall if you want, but if you want to really relax like this and practically take a nap in this thing, you can recline all the way back, but it still doesn't take up a massive amount of room.
There you go. You can relax.
Yeah, let's just relax here. Take a nice nap. Comfy.
We keep the cowboy boots, huh?
Why not?
Well, they say a cowboy sleeps in his boots.
Yes.
Yeah. Love that chocolate brown color.
Yes, this is a beautiful color. Really like this. Well, this is definitely a beautiful new addition to the family room here. I really like the look and feel of this chair. I would recommend this. Please check the description section below for more information on how to get great products from this company. And you can always like and subscribe our page. We always appreciate that. And thank you very much for watching.